So we're getting ready for our black slab pours, which is the final concrete layer. It's an architectural finish. We are doing our fit outs for the buildings, and we're 90% complete of our Supercope install. Hey, I'm Callum Crowell. I'm a site engineer here at Salisbury Station. We've installed 90% of our Supercopes on site, which is the new precast element that will sit on the edge of the platforms. One of our biggest milestones at the moment is getting the overpass bridge installed. It means now we have a full connection from Fairley Terrace to Dollar Street. So we also have our bike enclosure well underway. The asphalting is complete on Dollar Street side, as well as the curbing channel. Our team's currently working really hard to finish off our station building fit out, all the services installed, and our final architectural concrete finish on the station platforms. So some other milestones that we've been able to achieve is getting all of our glazing done on our lift shafts. Egress paths for the station platforms is coming along. So footpaths for Lillian Avenue and Dollar Street is getting started. So we've got our tilers in, they're currently doing the fit outs for the buildings as well. We're really progressing well with the works at the moment.